Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Square for payments and inventory strategy, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Square for payments, start by visiting the Square website. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. Create an account by entering your email address and setting a secure password. Once you receive a confirmation email, follow the link to verify your account. Log into your new Square account. Begin the setup process by entering your business information, such as your business name and address. Provide details about your business type, like retail or services, to tailor your experience. Next, link your bank account to Square for payment processing. Input your bank account details, ensuring all information is accurate. Review and accept Square's terms and conditions. Now, set up your payment methods. Select whether you will accept credit cards, debit cards, or other payment types. If you have a card reader, connect it to your device as per the instructions provided. To manage inventory effectively, navigate to the Items section. Click on Add Item to create a product listing. Input the item name, price, and any other necessary details. Ensure you track inventory by enabling the Track Inventory option. Set the initial inventory count for your item. Continue adding other items, repeating the steps for each product. Once you've added all your items, review your inventory and make any adjustments if needed. For real-time sales tracking, explore the dashboard section of your Square account. Monitor your sales, inventory levels, and overall business performance here. Set alert notifications for low inventory to manage stock effectively. You are now ready to start accepting payments and tracking inventory with Square. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the mobile app for on-the-go access. Regularly check for updates to ensure you're using the latest features Square offers. With these steps completed, you're set to streamline your payment and inventory strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.